In Mexico, cities are an important place to socialize, as well as do business. In Mexico City, the heart of the city is the Zócalo, the plaza next to the cathedral. People come here to meet their friends and family and to wander through the area's many tourist attractions. The Zócalo is a lively area, full of small shops, cafes, cantinas, and street vendors. This marketplace, next to the Zócalo, offers people the opportunity to walk, shop, talk, and eat all at the same time.
El Castillo, or the Pyramid of Kukulkan, is the most prominent building of Chichen Itza. El Castillo has 91 steps on each of the four sides, plus one on top, totaling the number of days in a year, 365. To the east of El Castillo, the Mayan god Chacmo guards the entrance of the Temple of the Warriors. El Caracol is an observatory where the ancient Mayas could view astronomical events. The ball court in Chichen Itza is the largest in Mexico. The object of the game was to hurl a ball through the ring using everything but the hands. La Universidad Autónoma Nacional de Mexico was recently ranked the best university in Latin America by the British newspaper The Times. Among UNAM's famous alumni is Mario Molina, recipient of the 1995 Nobel Prize in Chemistry. This library, built in 1953 by O'Gorman and completely covered with mosaic murals, is an example of UNAM's enormous artistic and cultural wealth. The main campus is in Ciudad Universitaria, located in Coyoacan, in the southern part of Mexico City. The Olympic Games of 1968 were held in UNAM Stadium. Today, the Estadio Olímpico México 68 is home to UNAM's soccer team, nicknamed the Pumas.